How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we are unboxing a new sleeping bag we purchased from the Amazon Basics store. It's a cold weather sleeping bag, so let's check it out. Now the bag is similar to a Coleman style we own, but it is a third of the cost and has all the same features that keep you warm and comfortable on those cold camping nights. So let's have a look and see if this sleeping bag is worth buying. Now the first thing you'll notice is the smooth polyester moisture resistant fabric and the tricot blend liner that adds warmth, strength, and softness. Now those features alone will keep you comfortable all night long, as well as the hollow fiber insulation that provides excellent heat retention and makes for a very light sleeping bag. So the extra webbing along the side assists the user in easy zipping and unzipping, which allows you to get out in the middle of the night in a hurry in case you get the trots. Now, if you're looking for a sleeping bag that doesn't cost a fortune, but you still want some cold weather durability and all the features of a cold weather sleeping bag, this might be the product for you. So whether you're an experienced camper or just trying camping out for the first time, don't miss out on this great opportunity and great price from Amazon Basics store. And there's no problem fitting the bag into its roomy carry pack, which is one of the most stressful points of packing up. So that is about it. Please take the time to subscribe and stay warm.